Hi, I'm Shua, and this is your world, my world, K-pop. So now we're gonna react again another boy group that I'm going to watch it. It's called iKON. It's the music video is Airplane. So I really thought that this music video was quite fantastic and quite religiously something, I don't know, or something like a gangsta again or whatever. So I'm not going to pause at this, so let's get to it now. Okay, let's get now dive in. Airplane. Okay, obviously it's airplane. Wait, does it have subtitles? Oh, nothing. Okay. I should have understood it all. Why is the rapper is quite emotional? Oh, okay. It's more connected to high school. What is this kind of concept? Is this a love story or confessing to another one? I don't know. Wow, that man. It is quite interesting. Whoa, 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 whoa. Easy. I quite noticed why this song is quite a little bit emotional. But I kind of like it. I love it. That tune. Wow. I love the concept, guys. Nothing if I don't like it. Are they best friend or something they like to something confessing something each other? Ooh, something kind of each other, I don't know. That was smooth. I should have. Well, I should have known. Is there something they both together? Or. Oh. He's finding her. Yeah. I know you. Whoa. That's quite a little bit sad that he didn't see her. Wow, that's quite a little bit sad. Maybe. A little. Wow. So far, the song is I like it. Nothing is I don't like it. And it's quite interesting though, those troops with their one girl and two boy that I've been seeing. I think I was just thinking about something. They just have to like confessing each other or something they want to say something important message to their with that girl one. Because I was talking about myself that Are these two boys are having a little fun or chit chat with another, or just something was something another scenario that I will be see this today. So I was thinking that that two boys are having their having fun with that girl and have to just like eat with having fun each other, spending together. But I don't realize where is the plot story would going in? Where is this going on? Where it should be goes to another one. I quite a little bit I didn't understand of that issue one. And something that I don't realize that yeah, it's more connected to airplane. I know that because the music video's title is airplane, obviously. But I quite not expect though that this MV was quite a little bit sad when the other boys rapping each other, having a rapper one while singing and having with a tune in the ear. I kind of like it, but it looks like a quite a little bit sad. I feel it because I thought that there's something that has to be going on. So yeah, the thing I would find to search it. Oh, it's windy. The thing that I would find something, I have to do it, and have to definitely to figure it out is I'm going to react again. So let's get to it. Well, today it's windy today. I have to react it to it.
잠깐 멈춰봐 이대로 가면 우린 다시 못 봐 비행기 떠나면 난 잘 지낼게 넌 꼭 잘 지내야
It's quite a little bit sad that I see the tune. I can hear it so well.
눈물 고였어 세상 잃어버린 듯한 슬픔이 보였어 하루만 더 있다가 지금 불고 있다가 영화나 보러 가잖아 울고 있잖아
Well, I should have not to lie to myself though. It's quite giving me a quite good looking. Yeah, the face, the skin, the hair. That is something that I must see of the boy again. All of those boys and the other group ones, with whatever they are, even though they are girl or boy. I have I have seen the opportunity. How did they doing that one? And nothing's. I haven't seen anything yet, and they're all good looking. They're all having fun with their jobs today, and yeah, they're quite interesting though to watch it. So what is it? We have to figure it out. Here in this scene, I don't know where is this going on because I understand of what the scenario happening. They having fun with they having fun each other. They having fun with those their scenery. They're having their good smile on their faces, having good on their relationship as a friend. But I don't know if this song it fits to this scene because I don't know where it should be going through a lot of this. Hmm? That is quite I did not understand though, but I just watch it and what will happen going to do next. So while we're acting, I was planning that what is it going on in this characters? Is it they're going to be something confessing or something it would definitely something it would changing the friendship, something like that. Yeah.
너를 밝혀주는 저 달을 믿다 이대로 보내기는 아쉬우니까 이건 아마 세상 가장 쓸쓸한 멜로디야
The instrumental was quite interesting when I heard about without the singers how they perform it. I love it when they sing about it when they have to sing like that. It fits into my earbuds and I like it so much. Well, while listening, I love it though. I think when I heard this without the singers have to singing, it's only just instrumental. I think it's quite definitely I will put it through to my reels in my Instagram, in my other other social media. I will put it into that instrumental of this music. It says icon in airplane instrumental and having with those reels, having fun and what is my life after this like that when I posted it. Maybe I will definitely post it that sometimes if I don't have an idea what I should put it into my reel when I when I upload it. But let's get dive again.
잠깐 멈춰봐 비가 오잖아 바람 불잖아 지금 가면 위험하니까
I quite not wait. The wind is getting windy here. You can see my curtain hood here. I quite not going to say, but are they having a good friends or they? Come on, he's he's reacting to this. There, my wind is the temperature here is going windy and the curtain hood is reacting it. It showed to my camera. Okay, back to it. I don't know where is it going it to be. Is it going to confess with each other or having friends or something spark on their feelings? I don't know, huh? I don't know. But I think it should be something mystery going on these three. And I don't know. Because once I reacted to it in just slide without pause, it's fine though, but I quite not understand a little bit, but it's quite definitely having fun with each other. Hmm, or maybe not. Lovies. Hmm, I've been thinking it too much. Hard, right?
잠깐 멈춰봐 시간 멈춰라
Oh, look at it. The other one is on the nothing. It's just the other one is just on her his business, and the other two one is having their spending or they helping their um do their things just like that. Was there something a jealous of these three? I don't know, but it's like a connected truth to that. Hmm, really, it's more connected it to that. Hmm, who knows? Well, let's keep it review. Oh, I was wrong. I was wrong. No, I thought it was the other one is jealousy. Not. I was wrong.
가벼운 미소만은 남기고 웃는 얼굴로 넌 떠났지 우리 기약을 굳게 믿는 척하면서 널 잡기 위해서 내 모든 짓을 해
When he raps like that, it feels like he's going to message something. Yeah, it feels like he's going to message something for us. Oh, really? I feel it's really. I thought it's really something have messages something. It feels like something he wants to message or want to send us a little bit message coming through it. Yeah, literally.
적어도 후회 속에서까지 살지 않기 위해선 girl 평생 그리워질 그대의 존재 그냥 내 품에서도 깊은 잠에 들어 왜 잔인하게 아름다운 저녁 하늘 바라봐 너게 마지막이라니까 또 눈물 나잖아
Wow, I love that tune. I love that tune. When they sang like that, la di da di. Well, I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh wait, is that? Oh, I thought it's It looks like quite like a Philippine Airlines on the back. See, guys, it looks like a Philippine airline on the background. But I was wrong, or I don't know. It looks like a quite different from the other, but it looks matching to the Philippine Airlines and on the airlines here in my country. Really, whatever.
사는 하늘이 싫다 너를 밝혀주는 저 달을 믿다 이대로 보내기는 아쉬우니까
Ooh.
이건 아마 세상 가장 쓸쓸한 멜로디야 Mr. Airplane 잠깐 멈춰봐
Scene 2. It's quite a little bit sad. I feel it. I think one is jealousing somebody because I don't know. Oh, it literally something it go through into that. Oh, I don't know why. I don't know. Oh, something was jealousing. That was so pain. I think the message is something has to the message from this MV. It looks like a quite a relationship from friendship or like a something's mystery spark on their feelings. And I don't know what is going through it about because I'm just a watcher and maybe something has sparkling. For those other you guys lovies, if you see something sparkling of these two in just music video, right? Okay, nothing's personal. It's quite a little bit more on feelings. Yeah, it's more quite on feelings. Maybe. Oh, right. I don't want to leave the girl yet, but definitely gone like that. Wow. Wow. That was quite a little bit sad story. I think the girl too has something more connection with that too, that boy one. But it got questioned me into the end. How did that happen? Was the story is quite little bit sad or because of the wrap up this music video that it's connect to it? Wait, let me see in the comments. I don't know why Airplane didn't big keep falling down on chart. Where is the family? Where is the fans? Where is the support? Airplane is gold. Really. Wow. That was so touching. What else? I want something the story one so I can understand it. If not, maybe later. Or I should respect it. Oh, what is it? This detail where I mean no. This detail here, why is no one talking about this? He took out the battery on the clock, hoping it could stop the time. Oh, I see. While running because he can't bear the girl leaving. Damn, this is so deep. Oh, that's why he took out the battery on the clock. So the boy took the battery of the clock, right? And hoping it could stop the time. He he want to stop the time, that's why. And the girl was like while running because he can't bear the girl leaving. Oh, she wants to get it. She can't she can't get away that girl one, so that's why the boy one that I see, this wait. So this is why something the boy one has made me question why he's running to the girl one. And that is because he why he run that girl off. That's why because he can't even realize or he can't want to leave the girl yet. That's why. I think that was something I regretted and so sad because of that one. While running because he can't bear the girl leaving. Yeah, it's a damn so much damn. This is so deep, really. So very quite emotional in the end and how to respect it. Have so much respect it. Okay, so that was iKON Airplane. So much quite a little bit emotional in the end because that boy is literally can't can't leave the girl yet. So that's why the girl doesn't know about she used the airplane and she could go something whatever where she wants. And the boy was something I think the boy was regretting it. That's why because he can't lose the girl yet. Even though it's have a friendship with friendship with other boy like one. But soon lately maybe I would get to know them soon because I'm really so excited about this, about the journey of this icon and this channel journey too. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in the next. So like, comment. So I mean like, comment, subscribe, and also give me some LOVE with love. Bye bye.